Open the last page of the Quick Start Guide. Scan the QR code to download and install the Mi Home app. Open the app and tap Plus, then type top right corner, scan the QR code. Add Dreamy Robot Vacuum F9. Simultaneously press the power and dock button for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network setup.
Connect to your home Wi-Fi first. Then go to your phone settings. Connect your phone to Dreamy Vacuum Wi-Fi.
The robot and the phone are connected. Please return to the Xiaomi Home app and wait for the network connection to complete. Network connected successfully.
Open Mi Home app to start cleaning mode.
The robot is starting the cleanup.
There are 4 cleaning modes available in the Mi Home app: Quiet, Standard, Strong, and Turbo.